Welcome to this super quick 4-minute intro to the Kawo platform. We work with a wide range of customers across many different industries. We help them with digital transformation. We've learned over the years that process is the key to being successful on social, having strategy, collaboration, tracking conversions, and reporting. Our platform supports this with our 3 different solutions. We want to transform teams from the old chaotic way of working to a new, more efficient way of collaborating on Kawo. Starting here on the dashboard for Kawo, we can see an overview of our planning, our paid social budget, our Weibo stats, our WeChat stats, our competitors, and also KPIs that we're tracking for these accounts. Moving into the first module in Kawo, Inspiration, we're able to pull from multiple Weibo accounts for easy reposting onto your own channel, particularly useful if you're a larger organization with multiple accounts that need to work together. Next, in Global Networks, we're able to pull in Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram posts, making it really easy for your content in China to be inspired by and based on your global branded content. The next module is planning, and this really in many ways is the heart of Kawo. We can see the WeChat Weibo posts that are planned and also our paid spend planned for the month. We can jump down into a day and we can easily look at this content. We can approve content and comment on it to make it really easy to collaborate together as a team. Jumping into the next part, paid social, we can see here the ads that we have planned, we can set a budget, and we can see the approval statuses of those ads. Particularly useful if you have separate teams working on paid spend as creating the content. The next module is reporting, and this is a really powerful part of Kawo. This is where we can work out the ROI of that content we've created. We can see the growth of our followers here, all of the articles on WeChat. We can see the share performance and reads. As soon as we see a spike in a graph, we can just click on this tile and we can instantly dive down into exactly what happened, and we can see which piece of content it was that was impacting the data around that time. We can look at any date range we want and we can choose almost any metric. It works just the same for Weibo and for WeChat, really helping you to dig down into and analyze that data. Going back to the overview here, we can look at our competitors and we can see how they're getting on with a high-level overview here, ranked by different metrics. Again, we can change the date range and look at different time periods to see how we're performing over time. The next part is tagging, and this is a really powerful part of Kawo. This allows us to analyze the performance of different types of content we're creating. We can break the content down for our content strategy and really see where we're getting our ROI from and make data-based decisions rather than arguing about different guesses and feelings. We can use the data about our content to really tell the story. Next is KPIs. KPIs here allows us to track our progress towards our goals. As you can see, we're not doing so great for our follower growth this month, but we keep a track of that KPI so we can adjust it and see how we're going over time. You also get these updates in your weekly reports. Every week, Kawo generates a report that is sent around to the entire team, and you can see who's opened that report. To get started with Kawo is really simple. You just connect up your Weibo and your WeChat accounts and you add users via email, making everything secure. As soon as somebody leaves your team, you just click to remove them and they're gone. Being successful on social is really challenging, but teams using Kawo work smarter, achieve their goals, use best practice across their organization, are more efficient and organized, and win the trust of all their stakeholders. To learn more, email us, sales@kawo.com.